So problem number 2. Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna? A 16, B 18, C 19, and or D 20. Ano raw? Ulit. Mary is 24 years old. So 24 years old na si Mary. Ito yung present age, ano. Tapos sabi, si Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. How old is Anna? So yung pinapahanap sa atin is yung edad ni Anna. So solution, parang dati ko pang nai-encounter itong problem ni Mary at saka ni Anna. Pahirap to sila Mary and Anna. Okay. Let A be the present age of Anna. Then, gawa natin siya ng table para mas clear. Okay. So, this is Anna, Mary, and then Anna. Tapos, may present and past. So, ito yung present and ito yung past age. Sabi sa problem, Mary is 24 years old. So, sa present yon 24 years old siya. In the present, ang age naman ni Anna, yun yung hinahanap natin, yung A. Sabi sa problem, Mary is twice as old as Anna was when Mary was as old as Anna is now. Yung statement na when Mary was as old as Anna is now, meaning yung past age ni Mary equal siya sa present age ni Anna. So, pwede nating ilagay na yung past age ni Mary is A. Yan. Kasi nga, yung past age ni Mary is equal to the present age of Anna. So, yun yung meaning nung term na when Mary was as old as Anna is now. Tapos, ang sabi rin sa problem, Mary is twice as old as Anna was. Or meaning, doble ng edad. So, 24 divided by 2. Doble yung edad eh. Or, simply, 12. Now, remember, take note, na yung age gap nila, okay, or yung lumipas na time from past to present is always constant. Constant lang yan. Meaning, parang, halimbawa, ako ay, for example lang, no, halimbawa, ako ngayon, ang edad ko ay 20 years old. Ang kapatid ko is 30 years old. After 10 years, pag 30 na ako, o 40 na siya, same pa rin. No, same pa rin yung gap na 10 years. Yung aming gap. So, yun yung age gap is always constant. So, remember that. Take note of that kapag nagsasolve ng mga age problem. Yung past to present, yung lumipas na time, palagi rin siyang constant. So, let's say yung past to present, let yung present minus the past is C. So, magkakaroon na tayo ng dalawang equation. Makakabuo tayo ng equation. Gamitin natin yung kay Mary. So, yung present, ito yung gamitin natin. Yung present age ni Mary, 24, minus yung past age niya, which is A, is equal to C. Constant yung gap. Constant din yung time na lumipas. Dito naman kay Anna, you have A minus 12 is equal to C. constant yung time na lumipas. So, meron kang equation 1 at meron ka ring equation number 2. And dahil meron kang similar term, yung C, pwede nating i-equate si equation 1 kay equation 2. So, you have C is equal to C. So, 24A minus A is equal to, ito yon, equation 1. Ito yung equation 1 mo. Equal to A minus 12. Ito naman yung equation 2 mo. So, pagsamahin natin yung variables, lagay natin lahat ng variables sa left side. So, negative A minus A is equal to negative 12 minus 24. Minus 24. So, negative 2A is equal to negative 36. Divided both side by negative 2. Negative 2. So, A is equal to 36 divided by 2, 18. So, yung present age ni Ana is 18. The answer is B.